arguably the best diesel motor of this generation of trucks across any platform. Every 7.3 Power Stroke Ford that we get, we sell them within the first couple days. This truck being a 79,000 mile F350 regular cab, four-wheel drive truck, it's just a hard truck to buy with good miles. You can hop in this and drive it every single day, drive it wherever you want it to go. Everything works down to the washer sprayer fluid. All of your gauges, all of your lights, the air conditioner, the heat, the radio, the wipers, cruise control. It's just a very clean and really nice truck front to back. Runs and drives really well. Right now we're cruising about 65. Gauges are all coming up good. This truck is an XLT, so it has the cloth interior. Doesn't have any weird smells, no tears in the seats. The dash doesn't have any cracks. Has the fold down center seat, flip up for storage. Headliner's really nice. Door panels look really good as well. Runs and drives excellent. Motor stock. Transmission shifts through the gears well. Has a stock exhaust on it. Heat and AC work like they should. Mechanically, it's a truck you can hop in and drive it anywhere, do anything that you want to do with it. Set the cruise. Cruising at 65, 66 miles an hour right now. 79,200 miles. Radio kicks on and plays sound. Like a moth runs to flame. This is the life that I'm living. Being an F350, it still is a very comfortable ride. It doesn't beat you to death going down the road. The suspension feels really good. The brakes feel good. The steering does what it needs to do. 4x4 on this truck works. It's got the selector on the dash, cup holders, glass is really nice, no cracks, chips in the windshield. Power windows and power locks work like they should.